kids, what's up? Welcome to our channel. I am Komal over here, and guess what? Today I am over here with amazing wristband DIY kit by the Talking Canvas, and we are gonna unbox this. So are you all excited? Super excited! Then come on, let's unbox this amazing wristband DIY kit. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Open. Oh my god, I'm super excited. And here we go. Let's see what all things are there inside this wristband kit. And ta-da! So firstly we are having this color mixing guide. Children, it is very helpful. This will guide you properly to mix the colors. Yes, so please have a look. Then we have one instructions. Then over here we have colorful bands. We are having the glue stick as well. The colors we have, and we have a painting brush as well. Then we have color palette. We have marker pen. We have googly eyes as well. And here what we have? We have so many options over here of this wooden cutouts. So you can make total 8 wristbands out of this kit. So come on, which shape shall I choose? Let me see. Oh, butterfly. Yes, it's my favorite too. So we are going to choose this butterfly, and I'm going to pick up this base of a flower. Okay, so children, let's get started. So let's take this base and the butterfly on the top. Okay, I am just going to open this white color. I am going to paint the base of this butterfly white. All right. Wow! So I have just given a white base to my wooden cutouts, and I will allow it to dry. Okay? And we are going to color the butterfly. Children, be very careful. I am just going to pick up this wooden cutout in my hand, and I'm going to paint the center portion with white and yellow color. Okay? Then I'm going to use red color, and I'm just going to make the wings of this butterfly beautiful with the red color. Okay, just give the strokes nicely. The wings of the butterfly are gonna look really pretty. So I am using this blue color for the base. Just color the flower bluish in color, and it's done. It's looking amazing. Now children, you can be a little creative. You can just use the big side of the brush. You can dip the brush inside and try to give few dots with white color to make the wings of this butterfly beautiful. But now what are we going to do? We are going to take a glue stick which is available inside this DIY kit, and we are taking googly eyes to make the beautiful eyes of our butterfly. Put 2 dots of a glue over here. You can try to paste googly eyes over here. Select your favorite color wristband which are available in this DIY kit, and we are just going to pass this band from one end like this, and we are going to pass it from the other side, and we are going to paste this butterfly on the top. Wristband is ready to gift it to your siblings or to your friends on Raksha Bandhan or on Friendship Day. So what are you waiting for? Grab this amazing DIY kit by the Talking Canvas. It is easily available on our website. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and see you super soon.